Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve 26A and B from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/1/3. The question goes like this. If x equal to h plus a cos theta, y equal to k plus b sin theta, then prove that k minus h upon a the whole square plus y minus k upon b the whole square is equal to 1. This is the statement that we have to prove. Let's take the LHS. LHS is x minus h upon a the whole square plus y minus k upon b the whole square. Let's substitute the values for x and y. X is h plus a cos theta minus h upon a the whole square plus y is k plus b sin theta minus k upon b the whole square. H and minus h gets cancelled. A cos theta upon a the whole square plus k and minus k gets cancelled, leaving behind b sin theta upon b the whole square. A gets cancelled, so cos square theta plus b gets cancelled, sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, which is the RHS of the statement. So hence proved. The part B says prove that tan A upon 1 plus sec A minus tan A upon 1 minus sec A is equal to 2 cosecant A. Again here also let's take the LHS of the given statement. The LHS is tan A upon 1 plus secant A minus tan A upon 1 minus secant A. Taking the LCM, we get tan A into 1 minus sec A minus tan A into 1 plus sec A upon 1 plus sec A into 1 minus sec A. Expanding the numerator, tan A minus tan A secant A minus tan A minus tan A secant A upon 1 minus secant square A. Tan A and tan A gets cancelled, so minus 2 tan A secant A on the numerator. By taking the minus outside, we can rewrite this as secant square A minus 1. Minus gets cancelled, 2 tan A secant A upon secant square A minus 1 is tan square A. On cancelling 1 tan A, we get 2 secant A upon tan A. Secant A is 1 upon cos A and tan A is sin A upon cos A, which goes to the numerator. So we are left with 2 upon sin A, which is nothing but 2 cosecant A. That is the RHS of the statement. So hence proved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.